Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today we will like to present about mock meeting for Ikea's company. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Hazwani BINTI Zakaria from class KB47H, a student of Diploma in Culinary Art. My metric number is D2 2019 /060-285 and I'm as a secretary.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is MOHAMAD bin ISMAIL. I'm from KB47G. I'm student Diploma Culinary Art. My number matrix D2 2018/120022. I'm as position to mock meeting. My position General Manager.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is IFFAH REDZA. I'm from KB47G. I'm a student Diploma in Culinary Art. My metric number is 060362 and I am as a financial manager.
Hello, my name is ATASYA REDZA from KB47G and a student of Culinary Arts. My metric card number is D22019/060850 and I as a marketing manager.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HIDAYAH binti SAHARUDIN. I am from KB47G as a student Diploma Culinary Art. My metric number D22019/060252. I as a producer manager.
Hi guys, wow, glad to see all of you ladies. Sorry if I'm late. Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone.
Waalaikumsalam and good morning, sir.
Waalaikumsalam and good morning to sir.
Waalaikumsalam and good morning to sir.
Waalaikumsalam and good morning to sir.
Thank you for attending this meeting. Have you all had breakfast today?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we all already done breakfast before start the meeting, sir.
Okay, good. Before we start our meeting, let us recite the prayer with Surah Al-Fatihah. We start our meeting through online only. Alright, Miss Hazwani is there. Everyone come to the meeting today?
Yes, sir. Everyone is here today.
Alright, that's good. That's good to hear it. Okay, Miss Hazwani, can you proceed our meeting? Which minute of the previous meeting?
Sure can, sir. In the minute of the last meeting, Ms. Hidayah has proposed to release a new product that will be launched on 25 August 2021 and all the parties are agree with the suggestion given by Ms. Hidayah.
Excuse me, sir. Actually, Miss Hazwani, we will launch a new product in 25 July 2021.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry about that. It's my mistake. Thank you, Ms. Hidayah, for correcting me.
Okay, alright. Is there anything else reading for our previous meeting before we start our discussion in detail?
No sir, thank you. That's all from the previous meeting that we decided. We can proceed our discussions of the agenda.
Okay, now we proceed our agenda today. is there a problem that arise to be discussed at today's meeting? Ms. Hazwani?
Yes, sir. There are issues about performance of the company during the pandemic COVID-19, and we also need to improve the customer safety and health by following the right SOP.
Okay, there anything problem during the occurrence of this COVID-19?
Me, sir, since 2020, which is pandemic COVID-19, the company the company finances have been declining. It is because buyers cannot go out to buy it because our Malaysia Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin has announced that everyone should stay at home only to prevent the virus from spreading to everyone.
Okay, notes. Ms. Hazwani, hope you know the issue.
Alright, sir. I will jot down the issues from Miss IFFAH.
Okay, any suggestion to resolve it?
Me, sir, I suggest that we should make an advertising through television or radio, and also making flyers or brochure to attract customers to come and buy our product.
Sorry for interrupting. I think I'm not agree with Miss Sarah statement because since our financials decline, we cannot afford to pay for advertising on television and radio, also making flyers too.
Yes, I agree with this statement from Miss IFFAH because if we make an advertisement through television or radio will definitely cost a very high.
I'm sorry, Miss Sarah, since there were only objections again of 3 people, so I will decide to proceed with the voting by a majority. Any other suggestion to increase our finances?
I would like to give an idea, sir. In my opinion, we can make a promotion on our website or advertising through the media social such as Instagram, Shopee or Lazada, and we can also make offer for home delivery service to customer.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think to suggest it. By the way, I agree with the suggestion that given by Ms. Hazwani.
Also, it is because we can encourage cashless payments between a buyer. Besides, we can also save our customer from being infected with this virus COVID-19.
Wow, it's great to hear which all of your ideas. Any other problem or suggestion to inform?
Me, sir, during the pandemic, the product of good in or out was very difficult because the government had announcement restriction on movement from foreign countries.
Alright, not. Any other idea to solve this problem?
Sir, for me, we need to hold first of good in and out during this COVID-19 pandemic.
Sorry, Miss IFFAH, I disagree with your opinion. If we hold our goods in and out, we will suffer enormous losses.
Yeah, that's right, Miss Sarah. I agree with your statement. In my opinion, what if we make a request from the checkpoint to make it easier for us to send or receive in and out goods? For example, we apply a letter for in and out of goods from checkpoints or the government.
I accept the suggestion from Miss Hazwani.
Me too.
Okay, good. Good idea. Any else to add?
Mister, how about for improving performance in terms of health and safety of customers by following the SOP?
In my opinion, to improve the standard operating procedure is to create social distancing between customers. For example, create a box with a distance of 1 meter so that the customer who come to buy goods or queue can be sure that they are social imprisonment in accordance with the procedure that have been set.
I agree with you, Miss Sarah, but I would like to add a suggestion. Before we start our business operation, we must do a disinfection operation. The purpose of this is to help to reduce the risk of infectious disease and ensure cleanliness in each building is clean. And this act has an terminating agent of harmful microorganisms.
I also want to add any suggestion. We must encourage customer to use the application of My SYAHIRAH by scanning the code. In addition, the code on My SYAHIRAH they need to make a body temperature check through thermal scanner.
Wow, good job everyone. You guys are awesome. Uh, all this idea can be used. Is there anything else to want to add?
No, sir, I think that's all the information.
Okay, thank you. I will write down your opinion and reconsider it for the final result for the next meeting. If anything else, you can find me or my secretary, okay?
Alright, sir.
Alright, sir.
Alright, sir.
So, we end the discussion now. Before that, do we have any other business?
No, sir. Oh yeah, before everyone forget it, as the reminder to the next meeting will be held on 5 May 2021 in McDonald's at Taman Desa Tebrang on 3 p.m.
Alright, and not. Thank you for all the comparison gift today. So we will end our meeting with the recite the tasbih kifara and surah wal as.
Thank you for watching our video.
Don't forget to wear a mask.
And hand sanitizer.
Stay at home.
Okay, guys, don't forget, stay safe.